In this video, I'll show you how to use Asana for Google Chat. So to get started, go ahead and open your browser and then head over into Google Chat. So go ahead and open Google and then select Google Chat. And then on Google Chat, go ahead and click on this new chat button at the top left of your screen. If you want to add Asana into a new chat, or if you have an existing chat where you want to add Asana, simply head over to that and then enter @Asana and then hit on send, and then this will pop on your screen. So make sure to confirm installing the app. And then after you do that, a response from Asana will pop. So in here, make sure to click on this connect button to connect your Asana account to your Google Chat account. So configure access. And then in here, make sure to grant permissions for Asana to make changes or add items to your Google Chat. So make sure to allow all of the permissions that will pop on your screen. Now, once you're done, you can go ahead and reload the page. And then this will pop in here. So make sure to select the workspace that you want to incorporate or integrate with your Google Chat. So after you select the workspace, go ahead and select the project from that workspace. So simply click on that select button at the right side of that project to be able to select that. So once that is selected, you can go ahead and head back. So make sure to select this first and then make sure to select the items that you want to be notified to the Google Chat from Asana. So after that, you're done, you're good to go, and that is how you can basically use Asana and incorporate Asana to your Google Chat. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.